Home improvements are often about balancing immediate comfort with long-term return on investment. One upgrade that consistently delivers value on both fronts is window replacement. For homeowners in Coppell, replacing outdated or inefficient windows enhances daily living while increasing property value over time. From improved energy efficiency to stronger curb appeal, new windows offer lasting benefits that extend well beyond the initial installation. Boosting energy efficiency. Buyers appreciate energy efficiency has become a top priority for today's homebuyers. Older windows often allow air leaks, drafts, and excessive heat transfer, which can lead to higher energy bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Window replacement introduces modern designs with insulated glass and improved sealing. In Coppell homes, this upgrade helps reduce energy loss, making properties more attractive to buyers looking for lower utility costs and better comfort. Enhancing everyday comfort increases appeal. Comfort plays a major role in how a home is perceived. Drafty windows, hot spots, and temperature swings can make even a well-designed home feel less inviting. For Coppell properties, new windows improve indoor comfort by maintaining consistent temperatures, reducing drafts, and enhancing airflow. These comfort improvements contribute to higher perceived value among potential buyers. Strengthening curb appeal and first impressions. Windows are a prominent exterior feature, and their condition has a strong influence on curb appeal. Old, faded, or mismatched windows can detract from the home's appearance. Window replacement refreshes the exterior and gives Coppell homes a clean, updated look. Strong first impressions often translate into increased interest and better offers. Reducing maintenance concerns for future owners. Older windows frequently require painting, sealing, and repair. These ongoing maintenance needs can be a concern for buyers. New replacement windows are typically built with durable, low-maintenance materials. For Coppell properties, this reduces future upkeep and makes the home more appealing to buyers seeking convenience. Improving noise reduction and privacy. Modern windows often include features that reduce outside noise. This is especially valuable in busy neighborhoods or near main roads. For Coppell homeowners, improved noise reduction adds comfort and privacy, features that buyers increasingly value. Increasing property marketability. Homes with recently replaced windows tend to stand out in competitive real estate markets. Buyers recognize new windows as a major upgrade and often factor this into their decision-making. In Coppell, window replacement can shorten time on the market and support stronger resale value. Protecting the home's structure. Properly installed replacement windows help prevent moisture intrusion and weather-related damage. This protection preserves the home's structure and interior finishes. For Coppell properties, structural protection contributes to long-term value by preventing costly repairs. Enhancing security features. Older windows may not provide the level of security buyers expect. Replacement windows often include improved locking systems and stronger frames. For Coppell homeowners, enhanced security adds another layer of value and peace of mind. Demonstrating pride of ownership. Replacing windows signals that the home has been well cared for. Buyers often associate new windows with responsible maintenance and quality upgrades. In Coppell, this perception can positively influence buyer confidence and property value. Professional installation maximizes value. The long-term value of window replacement depends on proper installation. Professional installation ensures correct fit, sealing, and performance. For Coppell properties, expert installation helps maximize the return on investment and ensures windows perform as intended. A smart investment for Coppell homeowners. Window replacement adds long-term value by improving energy efficiency, comfort, appearance, and security. It enhances daily living while increasing resale appeal and protecting the home's structure. For homeowners in Coppell, replacing windows is a strategic investment that pays dividends now and in the future.